One councillor in the St. James Municipal Corporation is of the view that the tourism sector was placed in jeopardy when opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, disclosed in Parliament last month that there was one confirmed imported case of measles in Jamaica. According to Councillor Charles Sinclair, it was an irresponsible move. And TVJ's Anthony Lugg tells us why.
Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, in Parliament on April 23. The information took Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton by surprise, as he had not been made aware. It was reported that a child turned up at a private hospital in Montego Bay with complications associated with the highly contagious disease. The ministry later said the case was not contagious and was not a threat to the population. Councillor Charles Sinclair labelled Dr. Campbell an alarmist and said his statement was irresponsible. Speaking at the monthly meeting of the corporation on Thursday, Mr. Sinclair asked Acting Deputy Medical Officer of Health for the St. James Health Department, Dr. Bailey Small, whether the case would have been classified as a contagious case of measles.
In coming to the island at that point in time, the child would have passed out of the infectious phase. So this would have been post. So at the point when the child would have come in, it would have been post an infectious phase of measles.
If I hear from the person who has the responsibility down here in St. James, those comments, then I must express some concern at the way that the opposition spokesman went about it and want to spread panic. And and the fact that St. James is the tourism gateway. Why would this man make such a alarm?
Mr. Charles argues that Dr. Campbell should have spoken to the Ministry of Health officials privately. In the meantime, Chairman of the St. James Municipal Corporation, Homer Davis, argued that Dr. Campbell breached doctor-patient privilege in divulging the information.
He uses the cover of Parliament. He could not have made that release publicly. So he used the privilege of Parliament to abuse his parliamentary rights and to abuse his own medical expert. To me, it is a grave conflict of interest in doing that, right? And he has betrayed his patient. He should not have done that. If he had spoken those words outside of Parliament, he would be sued for the rest of his life.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.